In the last video you have seen, we have sent our bike for the wiring inspection and repairing. We figure out that our headlight and meter bulbs were fused, so we are just going to replace it. And before that, I would like to share one information. H4 sockets are quite common these days, but in case of an old bike, rear M5 socket bulbs were used, which are quite rare nowadays. And this is how an headlight look like of this bike. And this is the meter bulb used in this bike.
Several days later.
After a long, parts are finally back from the paint shop, so let's go ahead and check the parts quality of paint and finishing. So this is how the side panel look like now, and here is the another one. So let's unwrap the tank. Check out the quality of the tank. The paint job is done really good, and from the back side it look like this. So this how the tank look. These are the parts that were removed from the parts during the paint job. So let's go ahead and install this. Firstly, we will going to install the lock on the side panel. So we will put it here, and from the another side we will tighten it. To install the petrol outlet point, we will just put it here, as 2 point has been marked here for the screws. So we will put the screw gently and later we will tighten it. To install the fuel lid, we will just put it on the tank and figure out the 2 holes marked on it, and we will place the screw gently and later we will tighten it. We are now going to remove the chain cover so that we can clean the chain and lubricate it. So this is the look of the bike after the complete restoration. Some of the minor works left, but yes, the bike is restored. I'm happy with it. So check out the look. The finishing of the tank is really good. You can check out the finishing of the paint and the speedometer here. My bike looks from the side. You can check out the side profile here. The Forest Champion was printed on the sticker itself, so I didn't install the 3D logo here because the finishing has covered all the points. Here I have installed the 3D logo here, the Bajaj, and from the rear it's look like this. Seat was also restored and new cover was installed, and rear tail light was also new. It was quite heavy task to find out this original mudguard. And here I have installed one switch here for the PCR light effect. You can check this out. So we will check out the exhaust note here. Let's put it on the ignition.